Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here for my last video post to you. As you heard, Miss McNally does come back tomorrow, and I know you're excited to have her back. I'm excited for her to be back, but I won't be going anywhere. I'll still be here in my role as a Title I teacher to help you guys out. So if you get stuck on something, if you don't understand something, if you need more time or need something explained, that's what I'm here for. So you can still reach out to me through email. I'm still in the Google Classroom, and me and Miss McNally are still communicating about things as she transitions back. So you can ask either one of us anything, and we're always communicating with each other. All right. So I just wanted to go over a few things here, so we can wrap up your grades. A lot of you have asked me about the El Cuerpo quiz and the 4.2 review, translate and give advice. And I told you that when I posted it, there was a time limit on it, and you had to get it done. So quite a few of you didn't get it done within that time limit, and I told you couldn't do it again. That still stands. But what I am going to do to help you out, because there's a lot of red and a lot of failures in the grade book, I'm going to take the average of your test grade, part 1 and part 2 here, and put it in for these two grades. So instead of having a 0, you'll have like a 50 or a 60. It won't be anything spectacular, but it'll be better than having that missing grade in. And for a lot of you, it made a huge difference in the grade book. So I just went through and did all that today. So you should see a significant difference in your grade. You should also see a change if you did the test. I know I sound like a broken record. And for those of you who did it, thank you so much. For those of you who did well, even better. If you used your notes, you took your time, you used that 5 minutes, that's exactly what I wanted you to do. For those of you who didn't, I just really need you to get it done. There's no way we can excuse taking a test. Okay, so I need part 1 and part 2 done like today, the latest tomorrow, but you gotta buckle down, you have to do it. The notes have been posted on Classroom, so there's no reason you shouldn't know the vocabulary, or there's Quizlets to help you study. There are things on this Classroom. I posted resources to help you. Just use them, okay, so you can get a good grade. If you did part 2 and you did poorly, do it again. There are 2 attempts on this test, 2. So if you suck the first time, do it again, all right? There's no reason I should have to put in a 50 for your grade. So please make sure and go through Genesis and look at your grades and see how you're doing. If you're missing test part 1 and part 2, do them today. And what I'll do is I'll take the average of these 2 scores and I will put them in for the El Cuerpo review and the 4.2 review, translate and give advice, all right? That's the only thing I can think of where I don't have to chase you all down and give you a bunch of new links and make new quizzes and all that stuff. It's less stressful. I know you guys are trying to juggle doing this online thing still. You're still trying to figure out your workload. But that's what we're here for, to help you. If you need help getting organized, if you need us to say like, hey, I need somebody to give me a schedule to follow. I need somebody to call my house and make sure I'm awake by 10 a.m., whatever. I will call you and make sure you're awake, all right? So please just let us know how we can help you moving forward, because like I said, there's still a lot of red in the grade book. It's looking a little scary. So we want to help you get caught up. We want you to get full credit for this class. We want you to get through this situation as best as we can, all right? So, with that being said, it's been an honor and a pleasure being your substitute Spanish teacher. I really enjoyed working with you guys again in the classroom and having more time to see you in your natural environment. I hope you guys are enjoying being home. I hope you're eating wonderful, delicious food, getting lots of sleep, and going to bed at a decent time, please. All right? Like I said, we're here. If you ever need us, let us know. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.